I got this poinsettia around December, and when I got this, I placed it indoors and I made sure that it would get sunlight. So I'm going to water this for the first time because it is sunny today, so this is the best time to water your plants. Okay, first I'm gonna take out all the dry leaves. Take out all the dry leaves, and I noticed some dead stems, so I'm going to cut it. I'm taking up all the nutrients, and one is dry too, and I noticed some molds here, so I'm taking all the molds out as well. But I am seeing growth in this one, so I have high hope that this one will actually survive. Let's see. So when you see that the surface is dry, and so that's the clue that it's time to water the plant. Let's see about this one. Oh, look, moldy. If you have allergies, you can wear a mask while doing this. And there's one more in here. So I'm going to cut this one here or to the base. Now it's time to water. Also, don't forget to remove the foil when watering this plant, and make sure to drain it well. And although this plant likes their soil moist, during cold season, limit watering to avoid root rot. Now it's time to use my pest control. When you buy new plants, make sure to always check the leaves for pests. And like in this case, I noticed a mold, and it looks like a pest, so I'm going to spray it with my alcohol mixture. Let me know if you're interested in getting this pest control. I can share it with you. So this is what it looks like after 5 months, and so far it's doing good. And now it's time to repot this plant since it's springtime and the weather is warmer. It's the best time to repot this plant. So I am using a bigger pot, like about 2 inches bigger, with a hole, and so I can add more soil for healthier growth of the plant. After several months, here it is. And I'm gonna loosen up the soil a little bit. Okay, let's see. All right, perfect. I'm going to fertilize this after a month when the plant is already adjusted in its new pot. So here it is, my newly repotted poinsettias. In my future vlogs, I'd like to update you guys on the growth of this plant. And if you like this video, share this with your friends and consider subscribing for more gardening tips.